Today we have a pouch which can be used for restaurants or cafes or more. And it's very useful because you can have a notepad, some pens. It has places for pens and markers for writing down notes or someone's order. It does have a place for a calculator as well, which is very useful because some pouches do not have specifically pouches for calculators. And it does have two big pockets for either a notepad or even more stuff. You can even carry cash in it once the people start paying with cash. And it does have a back pocket to have like a secret kind of compartment so you can place some stuff in there in case you don't want anyone to expose anything else. It does have a long belt, which is very useful because you can adjust your size in case it is too small. Then you can make it bigger. If it's too big, you can make it smaller. It's just very useful. This is small enough for you so you can have it around your waist so it doesn't bump into people or it doesn't like bother you while you're walking around. It's very light. So here's the other color bag. This is like kind of like burgundy, purplish kind of thing. And it's the exact same thing as the black one. It's very big. It has a pocket for the calculator, phone, or any other essentials you need at some restaurants is waitering. Pen holders, another pen holder, or even a highlighter or more. Has two big pockets for other items and also a secret pocket in the back where you can hide other stuff in that. And it's just very nice. Various colors like this one or the black one as you saw previously. It's just very simple. Hope you enjoyed the video.